Force and motion. You must have wondered why a car is able to move along a road, why a boat is capable to float on top of water, and also why an air balloon can float in the air. The reason behind this? Force, which is all around us. For any object to be in motion, there must be force acting on it. And yes, there are different types of forces, such as weight, friction, upthrust, and motion. For example, a book on a table receives and also exerts force. The black arrow is considered to be the weight, the pink arrow is considered to be the upthrust, the brown arrow is friction, and the green is motion. Also, objects in the ocean, such as a boat, also receive and exerts force. As you can see, the yellow arrow is the upthrust, and the red arrow is the weight, and the gray arrow is motion, and the pink arrow is also friction, but in this case it is called water resistance. And let's not forget in air, where there is also force acting on an object. Here, the blue arrow, that will be the weight acting towards the center of the earth. We have the white arrow, which is motion, the red arrow, which is the upthrust, and the black arrow, which is also friction, and another name, air resistance. There must have been cases where you also wondered why a stone sink to the bottom of the ocean, and that why a ladder in this case, which is have a wider large mass than a stone, is able to float. Now let's look at forces such as balance and unbalanced force. Now here is an example of balanced force, where there are two forces opposite in direction but equal, so therefore there is no motion. So here you have the black arrow, which is the weight acting towards the center of the earth, and you have the upthrust, which is opposing to the weight. So therefore this results in no movement. We also have cases where balance force may also act in the ocean, where a boat exerts an upthrust and also the weight acting on the boat is equal to the upthrust, so there will be no movement, so the boat will be still in water. So the same procedure can also be done for an air balloon, where there are two opposite forces but they are equal, which result in no motion. Now for unbalanced force, there are many forces, so this will indicate that the object is able to move. Now we have the weight, which is the black arrow, the red arrow, which is upthrust, the blue arrow, which is motion, and the pink arrow, which is friction. But in this case, the motion overrides friction, so therefore there is movement. And the same thing for the boat. You see the four forces acting us again, and the gray arrow, which is motion, overrides the pink arrow, which is friction, so therefore there is movement. And also for a book, there is also unbalanced force. So we have four forces acting towards a book. We have the friction, which is the brown arrow, motion, which is the green arrow, weight, which is the black arrow, and the pink arrow is upthrust. So therefore note that the green arrow overrides the brown arrow, so therefore there is motion. Thank you for watching this video display, and may God be with you.